Hello and welcome to the 340 Club. In this video, we'll be solving this question. 9 exponents 4 is equal to 3 exponents x squared minus 1. So let's begin. The first thing we'll do is to make sure the bases are all the same. So we have a base of 9 and a base of 3. So I'll change the base of 9 to a base of 3. That becomes 3 squared exponents 4 is equal to 3 exponents x squared minus 1. And now we apply this rule which says when a number is raised to a power and then raised to another power, you can multiply the two powers, right? So 3 to the power 2 all to the power 4 will be the same as 3 to the power 2 times 4, which is 3 to the power 8. Now we have a situation where the bases are the same, and when the bases are the same, you can equate the powers, right? So we can equate the powers here and say 8 is equal to x squared minus 1, right? So now we can rearrange this and get a quadratic equation, which is x squared equals 9, and I'll have two solutions. X is equal to positive 3 or x is equal to negative 3. So that's all for this video. Leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.